Hello, this is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia with how to get stronger plants in your garden. There are 5 key points when looking for a plant, planting a plant and situating the plant. It's really not that complicated. The first thing is, when you're looking at a plant in the garden center, look for a plant with great structure and shape. This is a Magnolia Little Gem. It's a fine example. Nice strong central leader, nicely evenly branched. If it's a shrub or a bush, look for something that's nice and symmetrical and pleasing to the eye. When you're planting, dig the hole about 2.5 times as big as the root ball. Your local garden center expert can recommend a mulch. Always mix that 50-50 with your regular soil, and a little bit of slow release fertilizer in the planting mix is always a welcome addition. The first year of care and attention is absolutely key. That's where watering is so important. Deep watering once a week, or depending on how the weather is in your area, really encourages a wonderful root system. And then of course throughout the year you'll be fertilizing as well. Pruning to shape. Pruning in those early years really guarantees a great looking plant as it grows older. And so with a Magnolia Little Gem, you would prune to get a nice bushy form. The branching structure is already here. And lastly, I nearly forgot, sun or shade. This is absolutely key. Don't put a sun plant in the shade and don't put a shade plant in the sun. Good label directions will always help you there. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia, helping you grow a stronger plant in your garden.